Okay, let's talk about duck typing. And you know what, I'm gonna explain this. So already write the code. It will getting complicated if I write this. I don't want to make longer video. That's bullshit anyway. If I can explain this with 30 seconds, okay, you're gonna save your time much more. And yeah, you know what, let's just start it. So duck typing. So in duck typing, there's two objects are considered to be the same type. If both share the same set of properties, duck typing verifies the presence of certain properties in the object rather than their actual type. To check their suitability, the concept is generally explained by the following phrase. So this is very famous. Duck typing is kind of when I see the bird that walks like a duck and swim, like a duck and quack. So like a duck, I call that bird a duck. So yeah, I hear this phrase before. You know what? Let's go to the example, and I'm gonna explain it as quickly and shortly as possible that you can use. So some examples like overwhelm you, like I don't know, is this the right way to teach duck typing? And you know what, this is the easiest way I think. And yeah, let's just start it. So first we're gonna create a interface with x and y. So our function are passing the parameter of, it's not integer or number, it's a interface type. Okay, so we did not learn this on class, that you can create a parameter that you can pass the what type. I only teach you that you can pass string and number. So on Java, you already know this thing, and you're gonna pass a instance of, it's not an instance anyway, it's a property type. Is you can pass the property type of interface point and pass it to your function like that. And we're gonna return the, so this one is so kind of, you should be always remember this. Okay, this one, or I already teach this on function. You remember function, we're gonna return the interface point type properties on this one. So I told you before that you can return void, string, number on function, but there's a one thing that this one, because object oriented program language, so we're gonna return the interface type properties because of this on return. So we did not return a string or number, we return the type of iPoint. So it's a interface type. That's the thing that we're gonna return. And if you see this, so P and X, you see this, so it can confuse you a lot because we use X and Y variable on this. So it meaning we're accessing the interface point and we're implementing that with X plus is equal to X and Y. So that's it, nothing too special. So we're just going to interface and getting the X and Y. We're getting the X and Y is equal to X and Y. That's it, that's the this one. So what's the parameter we're gonna pass? It's equal to this X and Y. That's it, nothing too special about it. So we already learned the duck typing. So just think about that, we're gonna pass this the interface type, and we're gonna access the X and Y on that, and we're gonna return it with pointer. So it kind of overcomplicate these things. So if you see this, so X, so one parameter is P, right? It's meaning we're passing P1 with X and Y, comma, it's mean the next value, the next parameter is P2 with same point type with X and Y. That's why we, okay, this is a weird syntax, like you never see this before. And yeah, It's so easy, nothing too overcomplicated. So if you don't follow you're gonna get an error on this one because you did not pass another parameter. You need to pass the x and y on this one. So interface, you're gonna pass the x and y, comma, and p, x and y, x and y. That's it. Okay, nothing too special. Okay, we're gonna compile this thing like dino run 05. Okay, we're gonna get an error because we did not follow the. Okay, this is an error on the dino run. Okay, we got an error because we did not follow this one. So we're gonna solve this by saying y is equal to something. So we're gonna follow the instruction of where's it, y dot, yeah, like that. Okay, it compiled. So that's it, and that's the duck typing. I'm gonna going back to get you an example for this one. And yeah, so that's how you do the duck typing. It's the easiest way I can explain. And yeah, okay, you know what, see you in the next tutorial. We're done on the object and we're gonna go to the namespace. And yeah, see you in the next tutorial.